to Let's Go Sip. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Let's grow the page, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Guys, it's bad. It's bad. Guys, once a woman lose respect for you as a man, forget it. Forget it. Yazi abafazi baka Musa, they used to call Musa so beautiful, guys. Yazi, they used to address Musa with such love, with such tenderness. Yazi Ulwandle. I didn't even know that another name Yaga Musa Ulwandle. I first heard it from Khumalo. Yazini, Umtombeni, even Umayeni, guys. Bayeni used to address Musa with such respect. Mayeni used to address Musa with such respect. Even Umakele will always say Ubabake, Ubabake. But there's one thing about Umakele. When Makele is happy, when Makele is angry, she will always say Ubabake. Guys, Musa has got a new name. Musa has got new names. The respect is out of the window, and I don't know how is he gonna regain that respect. If you see a woman like Khumalo act disrespect her, you must know very well that Yazin, you messed up. You messed up. But if you are not clever, you're gonna sit down and play a victim game. You are a victim in everything. Even if you go and insult your woman in front of, or like where South Africa, the whole of South Africa is listening, you still come back and say, try to get pity, like go into pity party. You, because we are gula, now you are being treated like somebody, a man who lost his job. What nonsense is that? You don't respect these women. We are Galavanda Musa. Maweni said, not Maweni, Magwabe said so. We are Jola, not Jolo, you are cheater. You are everywhere. How can a woman love you, knowing very well that when you are public property? You are public property in the name of Istanbul. In the name of Istanbul, you've got 4 wives. 4. I'm not even talking about number 5. I'm talking about 4 wives. What made you to run around and look for another woman? And on top of that, bayakhuluma labafazi ukuthi uMusa uyajola. That is why they don't respect him. If you don't respect yourself, who's going to respect you? You're not respecting yourself, and you are expecting your woman to respect you. Don't you think they love you? Every woman who loves a man, or every man who loves a woman, uzobana neskwela. If your man is speaking to everybody, every woman, you're going to have iskwela and you're going to have anger. You understand what I'm saying? That is why they will call you my friend. That is why your new names will be my friend. That is why your new name will be Ubuti Wabantu. Ubuti Wabantu. Hey, Buti Wabantu. My friend, Chomi. You understand? They will call you like that. And your heart is so painful that Khumalo is the one who is being rebellious. Because you were thinking Khumalo is going to be your puppet for the rest of your life. Just because you are taking her through a guilt trip every day. Or you are where you are because of me. You never thought one day that Khumalo will stand up for herself. She will always feel guilty that I mean, to be honest enough, you took Khumalo when Khumalo was still very naive. You took Khumalo when Khumalo was still a baby. You did everything ukuthi yazini teacher ukuthi abehave kanjani. But there's an expiry date to everything, Wena Musa. There's an expiry date to everything. That is why your name will be my friend. That is why your name will be Ubuti Wabantu. Because you don't deserve respect from these women. You can go to national TV and insult your women the way you want to insult them. That is why they will call you the names that they are calling you, because you don't deserve respect. Even Makwela. It's just a matter of time. Angithi, she's a new broom. She sweeps very clean. There will come a time that you will now start to insult her, because you will be having now a child who's born in 1990, not 2000, who's born in 2015 or something like that. I'm telling you, So whatever that you are going through, Buti Wabantu, whatever that you are going through, Tommy, my friend, go through it, enjoy it. You cooked that meal, sit down and enjoy it. Guys, let's meet on the other video. Thank you. Bye.